Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting session from iTechShare, a channel to connect, discuss and share. I am going to start a new series on interview questions. Before any interview, we generally stuck upon what to prepare and what not to. In few upcoming sessions, I'll come up with some important interview questions with answers across various tech stack, process and project. So stay tuned and keep inspiring me by subscribing this channel. In today's session, I am going to discuss about some very important interview questions around testing. My friends who are from testing background or a newcomer in this industry who wants to get a testing job in any company should go through this quick session to prepare themselves before appearing for the original interview. Hope you will enjoy this session and together we will brush up something which may be useful in long run. Our first question is about Gorilla testing. Gorilla testing is a software testing that repeatedly applies inputs on a module to ensure it is functioning correctly and there are no bugs. This is also similar to another term like monkey testing. The only difference between these two is that Gorilla testing is particular to some modules where monkey testing tests the whole application. So this is the techniques that involves testing with various ranges of valid and invalid inputs. And then in Gorilla testing, test case and test data are not required. It is just random testing. And the purpose of this testing is to examine the capability of single module or some modules functionality and applying heavy load on it, how it is performing on that one. So whether it is monkey testing or Gorilla testing, there are no predefined test cases and all the inputs are random as we discussed. What is endurance test? This is about load testing of your application for a long duration of time to determine how the application will react under high load and stress. So in case of any memory leakage or scalability issue, this test is the right approach to find out that. This will test the application behavior against the load and stress applied over application for a long duration of time to determine how the application is going to respond for high load and stress conditions in the real scenario. What is decision table testing? This is a testing that is used for testing systems for which specification takes the form of rules or cause-effect combinations. This is a testing around various input combinations. A typical decision table should have various inputs and outputs against each inputs. Decision table testing is important because it allows you to test multiple combinations of circumstances and ensures that complicated business logic is thoroughly tested. Decision table testing provides high coverage and representation is simple, making it easy to read and apply for evaluating the behavior of vast number of inputs where system behavior vary with each set of inputs. There is always confusion about baseline testing and benchmark testing. These comparisons will help you to understand it better. Baseline testing is the process of running a set of tests to capture performance information, whereas benchmarking is the process of comparing application performance with respect to industry standard that is given by some other organization. Baseline compares present performance of application with its own previous performance, whereas benchmark compares your application performance with other companies' applications performance. Hope this will help. What is negative testing? Negative testing is performed to find the situation when the software crashed. It is a negative approach where testers try to put efforts to find the negative aspect of the application. Negative testing ensures that application can handle the invalid input, incorrect data, and incorrect user response. And then the path testing. Path testing is a testing in which tester ensures that every path of the application should be executed at least once. So that means all the business rules will get validated through this testing. So guys, this is just the beginning. We'll continue these testing questions in next session too. All this information not only important for your interview. If you are a tester or developer, you should be aware of all these terms. So wait for the next session. Thanks for your time and patience. Happy learning.